Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to disable research invitations on the LinkedIn app using your phone. If you have been receiving unwanted research invites from LinkedIn and want to stop them, first, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. From there, choose the option called Data Privacy. Next, scroll down until you see the Research Invites option and click on it. Finally, toggle off the research invitations setting to stop receiving these invites from LinkedIn. Once this is done, you will no longer receive research invitations, making your LinkedIn experience cleaner and more focused on your professional connections. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.